Assalamu alaikum all. How are you? Hope you are all fine. Today I will show you how to install Natural Reader Professional with IVONA Voice. So let's start work. Natural Reader Professional, unzip. This is password protected. Password is www.caesarus and okay. Yes. Now and that time we needed to off internet and needed to disable our security system cause this is a crack. Here is the real-time protection of yes. Now click the setup file. Next accept. Here needed some time, so we are waiting. Installation finish. Now click finish button. Now open key text and that time open our natural reader. Here is the opening file. There want serial number, just copy and paste anyone. And next. This is open. Let's check. We'll check this default text. So click play.
Welcome to NaturalReader text-to-speech software. NaturalReader is a professional text-to-speech program that converts any written text into spoken words. In other words, it allows you to listen to text instead of reading
It's
it on the
fine,
screen.
but one have problem. Here is only two voice, but we needed more voice. Now we want more voice, so we are installing IVONA voice pack. Here is some IVONA voice. I'll give you the link in the description. Now click to install. Okay.
Welcome to IVONA Text-to-Speech
Next,
Setup
I
Wizard.
agree.
To
Next,
continue setup, press
install.
Enter.
Now speed up my video. Our installation finished. Now we are unzip crack file and copy this script. Copy this file, copy, and now find IVONA installation file. I will install this C program, C file, local disk C, then find IVONA 2 and just paste here. All is complete. Now time to start NaturalReader. Again I select default voice, default text. It's loading and check voice. See, here is the added IVONA all voice. Now check IVONA to Jennifer and play.
NaturalReader works with PDF files, Office Word documents, web pages, and ebook EPUB files. You just open the documents and listen to them in NaturalReader and can even synchronize with your mobile devices. The paid versions of NaturalReader have many more features, a great selection of natural-sounding voices. NaturalReader software includes 2 to 6 voices.
It's work excellent. If you like this video, please like, comment or subscribe my channel. Thank you.